Good morning, good afternoon and good evening wherever you are. Thanks for returning. I did it. I hit 275 subscribers. That is amazing. I'd love to see 300. So I'm going to get straight into today's video. You know what this is about. It's Chilled Kong's Mania. This project has just had the most amazing 24 hours I've seen for a long time, if not ever. Yesterday they had about 1,300 odd followers, sorry. That's jumped up to 2,000, just under 700. The FOMO on this has been absolutely insane. This has just gone for 3,000. There's another one in a spacesuit that's gone for 4,200. Everyone's giving a few of these away. So get involved if you want one. This one's amazing. That is absolutely fantastic. A lot of people very excited about this project and a hell of a lot of FOMO, which I'm going to dip through today. So let's take a look on open CNFT in the past 24 hours, the top CNFTs. Chilled Kong's has done it. It's in at number 1. The volume in the past 24 hours is 189,000 ADA. In total, 7 days, which will be the total because it's only been just over 24 hours, is 209,000 ADA. You look at that, there's 904 wallets. I'm not sure what it was earlier on. There's only 1,200 sold out of 8.8 thousand. Which is really incredible for this project to go like that. The floor price, let's go back. Is it going to update the floor price? I believe it was 200, the floor price. It's just gone absolutely insane. Yeah, it's still not there, but that's up to 211 now and 190. So there's a hell of a lot of sales happening. It's happening thick and fast. It's really good to see. The Chilled Kongs, I was a bit, not dubious, but I was a bit, another, Ape project. They are getting a lot of stick from people talking about the Ape projectness. Let's have a look. Crypto Connoisseur, or CNFT Connoisseur, put out a great tweet this morning. Let's go through that, look. So I think I've lost count of the ETH and the Bored Ape Yacht Club members I saw on Twitter that joined the CNFT space because of Chilled Kongs. We always say we want them to switch over. Now some bigger fish invested in CNFTs and we create FUD around the project because too many whales are involved. Like the project, stroke wallet distribution or not, they achieve something we all are working on. And if the BAYC comes over here and sees CNFTs he likes selling for 34 to a few hundred ADA, it's inevitable that he fills up his bags. That's pennies for them. These are the logical consequences for every project that attracts people from ETH, like it or not. Again, you don't have to like them or FOMO into them because the floor is now 170. It's about 230 odd now. But don't create FUD around them because of the logical consequences of what we're all hoping for. Take care. Yeah, I'm kind of agreeing on board with that. We need these people to come over. We need everybody to come over and get involved. Bud ETH, look, he said very happy to be a BAYC member. Who knows? Who also dabbles in CNFTs. This is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is a 10,000 NFT drop that was on Ethereum. There's 5.9k owners. The floor price is currently 52.9 ETH. And the volume traded is 255.5k ETH. Let's look at the floor price. Let's say 53. Here we are, look. 53. He's dropped down a bit. Everything's dropping a bit due to the Evergrande FUD. Look at that. That's $216,000. So can bored apes do it? Can they get to that level? Not straight away. It's going to take a bit of time. Let me show you. Look, these are the bored Ape Yacht Club's NFTs. They've got all different traits. That's bidding. That's 45. The top bid on that, 45 ETH. You notice it's facing the other way compared to the chilled Kongs, which is incredible. Yeah, these are selling. Look, that's facing the other way. And just the artwork on this, it is really nice. It's really great. Like I say, a lot of people complaining or a bit not very happy that it's apes or Kongs, which is fair enough. Everybody's entitled to their opinion, and I think a lot of those people maybe just missed out. So if you did miss out, it's still not too late to get involved. You can still buy some here on this place. A lot of people complaining that they're not receiving Kongs that they're buying and almost any NFTs. So let me show you this place. It's called the JPEG store. Here it is. So you sign up, you connect your wallet, and then here they've got the top collections. Look, you've got the Clay Nation, Space Buds and Pavia, Yummy Universe. Tells you the total volume that they've done. Some great projects. Let's have a look. Let's get the Kongs up. Look, it says 904 owners. The floor is 200 currently, but I'm sure that that is changing really fast. So these are for sale. You just click on it, you buy that, you connect your wallet, buy it, and then it's yours, just like that. No waiting around, no hoping the seller will send. Immediate buy-in. So if you do want one of these and you want it now, and get yourself on here. Let's have a quick look on the Discord, which is at 4,348 now. That's gone up significantly. Yeah, it's just mad. It's been incredible by here. This guy's saying 500 floor by Sunday. Here we go, look. Please send, which is an ongoing theme with CNFT. 5 left to go until 225. Should I buy? So I should buy ones far above 200. That's your decision. There's no financial advice on this channel. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube with a big fat head that's down here, and you can subscribe by clicking my big fat head. Yeah, look, that's just sold for 4,250 ADA, which is beautiful. Steel at that. What it was purchased the other day for 34 ADA. So congratulations. That's alright. Look, RIP to the guy who sold it for 88 ADA. Wow. But then he still doubled his money. So that's how crypto is. Don't always focus on what you could have had. Focus on what you have got and made. I've done it myself with a lot of cryptos. I've purchased things, I've sold it, but it's been a lot further down the line, like 6 months. I could have made like thousands more, but you got to think at the time. If you made the profit, you're happy, walk away. But that would hurt. I get that, but that's life. You still got a profit. Don't be greedy, be nice. If you're selling these on CNFT.io, just send them. You know, it's not fair for people. If you don't want to sell it, don't list it. So yeah, this is the Discord, which is absolutely slamming. It's flying currently. So get yourself on here for more information. They've got giveaways, look. They're doing giveaways, you can show off yours. There's memes, price discussion, all the usual Discord stuff. So thanks again everyone. Thanks for watching my videos and supporting me on my little channel. I would love to hit 300 subscribers. I need your help to do that by subscribing and liking and sharing my content. So thank you very much, and I'll see you all soon. Have a great time. Thank you.